Chapter 4, Aeros 9040, Application Screen Icons Explained. When you start a job from the Home or Start screen, it will bring you to the Application screen. Across the top of the Application screen is a small box on both the left and right side, and a larger one in the middle. Each small box can be set to several different parameters, and they are speed, heading, total applied area, application time, swath number, system pressure, actual application rate, target application rate, volume of product applied, and tank amount remaining. These values are the same for either small box, and it's your choice to select the ones you want to monitor. The larger center box will display how far off you are, left or right, from an ideal pass once your initial pass has been established. The row of lights under that will either be red or green, indicating whether a tip or section is on or off. Along the left side is a box that has a few more icons. From the top down, you'll see your GPS health. It will be red when there's no GNSS signal, yellow if only civilian GPS satellites are being received, and green when either a WAAS or TerraStar correction signal has converged and is fully established. There will be an in-depth discussion on GNSS and accuracy in Chapter 9 of the video. Below that is the pass icon, which should always be in last pass. If you've defined a boundary, there will be a yellow icon, and when touched, it'll supply information regarding your boundary size in acres. If no boundary was established, this icon will not be displayed. The icons along the bottom of the display indicate a number of options when applying chemistry. Let's talk about them from left to right. First, on the left is the Home icon, which will return you to the Start screen where you can either close your job or suspend it for further use at a later point. Next is the Tools icon to change some setup parameters. The next icon is called Vehicle View and offers a look-ahead perspective. It will display your boundary lines if you're close enough to them, your ideal next pass in orange once you've established your initial pass, and where you have or have not sprayed. Unsprayed areas will be shown as green, and applied areas will show as the color you've selected. The Field View icon is a look-down mode and offers the same information as Vehicle View, just from the different perspective. If you've purchased an optional rear view camera, the Real View Guidance Camera icon will be there. When touched, it will either enable an on-screen view of what the camera is able to see. This is typically the rear center boom section. If your Spray Star does not have a camera, this icon will not be displayed. The furthest right icon takes you to the Universal Terminal screen, which we also call Working Man, where rates, tank volumes, and other options can be made. This was covered in Chapter 1. Along the right side of the display, again from top to bottom, the icons control some navigation, guidance, mapping, and review options. First is the Navigation and Guidance icon. In ordinary applications, this icon would be rarely used. If you're interested in more details, the user manual describes that feature available here. One important point to note is that if your pass icon in the left box is not in last pass, this is where you can reset it. Below that is the Boundary and Polygon icon. Touching this icon will enable the mapping feature to define boundaries, no spray zones, polygons, and cancel. When this icon is touched, the above options will be displayed in order from left to right. The bottom icon is the application control option. Touching this brings up additional icons for bumping your rate up or down by your preset configuration. When your application is complete, close your job by touching the home icon on the bottom left of the display. This will take you back to the start screen, and a pop-up will ask if you wish to confirm closing the job. If yes, simply touch yes.